pros. I wasn't expecting this, but our 90-day recovery systems outsold everything last night. That tells me something though.
Days of hair care when we talk about growth and density.
People are tired of restarting their hair journey every 30 days. No one wants to do that. And most times, you don't fail at hair care because you don't care. You really fail at hair care because you don't have structure, you don't have a system. You buy one shampoo, you buy one serum, then something random from somewhere else, and you're expecting it to give you amazing results. And then 30 days later, you're starting the cycle all over again. This weekend wasn't about discount shopping. It was about building a system correctly. So let's take our first system, which is our growth and density intensity or intensive recovery system. This one is for those of you that have thinning, breakage, or even retention issues. It's going to focus on scalp balance, protein reinforcement, and consistent strengthening for the next 90 days. Then we have our 90-day damage defense system. This is for my relaxed people, my texturized people, my consistent heat users. It's going to reinforce the elasticity, but it's also going to protect and strengthen the bonds. Now, our last recovery system is our protective style aftercare recovery system, baby, right here. So if you're wearing any form of luxury extensions, sew-ins, braids, wigs, this is going to protect the hair that has been installed underneath. And it's going to help to bring that hair back to life when you take it out, or it can also be used before. This is where the real value is. So here's what I noticed last night. The carts that were moving, they weren't $90 carts. They were $180, $200, $240 carts. Because series routines actually require repetition. You can't expect results by doing the same thing over and over and over again, using that, oh, if I only buy one bottle of something, and then you're going to plan to restart again. And then you're going to do it in another circle and another circle. I really want you to understand how important recovery systems are. This is what is going to change your hair care game and take it up several thousand notches. This is also where you are going to be able to really have a routine that is built on a 90-day cycle, which also matches the hair growth cycle. Now, this is where 40% is going to unlock. This is what serious hair maintenance looks like. Anywho, pros, we're now within the final hours of our President's Day event. Our 90-day recovery systems are built intentionally. I physically built these on purpose. And this isn't about buying more, it's about buying correctly. Now, the promo ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. And no, baby, there are no extensions. This is the time that I don't want you to restart in 30 days because you underbought something today. We're going to be intentional, we're going to be purposeful, and we're going to get everything that we need to bring our hair back to life over the next 90 days. Last night, the 90-day systems outsold everything else. And this tells me one thing, that people are tired of inconsistent hair routines. If you're serious about hair growth, protective style maintenance, relaxer care, heat protection, natural hair care, structure is definitely what is going to matter more than a random purchase. So now you want to focus on the 90-day systems that were built with consistency. Today is the final day. 40% off unlocks at 150 or more, and it ends tonight at 11:59 p.m. So here's the thing. I want you to be consistent. I want you to build correctly, and I want you to jump over to elitehaircareusa.com and get your recovery system.